Friends, today we are going to start chapter number 20 of our English grammar book, Essentials of English Grammar and Composition. And the name of the chapter is Transformation of Sentences. It's really very interesting chapter and we will learn a lot in this chapter that how to transform sentences. For transformation of sentences, you must be aware of the classification of sentences. The first classification of sentence is that the sentence can be classified as an assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. And the next classification is sentence can be simple, compound, or complex. So, in transformation of sentences, we will learn how to change assertive into interrogative or interrogative into assertive, imperative or exclamatory. Means how one classification of sentences can be interchanged with each other and how to change simple into compound or in complex and vice versa. So, this is how we will learn the transformation of sentences. But first of all, you must be clear about the meaning of transformation. Transformation means when we change the form of a sentence without changing its meaning. That is a point which you have to be in focus, that meaning should remain the same even if we change the sentence into any other kind, but still meaning of the sentence should remain same. That is known as transformation. Look at the first example. He is honest. Here it is assertive affirmative sentence. But we have changed the sentence. He is not dishonest. It's assertive negative sentence. But the meaning is unchanged. Honest is changed into dishonest, but we have used not along with it. So its meaning is unchanged. Is he not honest? It's interrogative. This is how we will interchange or transform one kind of sentence into another. Now, similarly, look at the another three examples. In spite of being hard up, she gave her children good education. It's a simple sentence. She was hard up, but she gave her children good education. It's a compound sentence. You must be aware of the meaning and definition of these three kinds of sentences. Compound sentence contains two sentences or two statements of equal importance. In complex sentence, we have two statements in which one is dependent on another. And in compound statement or in compound sentence, we will get the conjunction, another one, and in complex sentence, we will get another kind of conjunction. That you must have remember. Now, how to interchange? How to interchange exclamatory and assertive sentence means how we will change exclamatory into assertive and assertive into exclamatory. As we know the definition of exclamatory sentence, that exclamatory sentence expresses strong emotions. So their word order is slightly different from an assertive sentence. While changing, this is a rule regarding the interchanging. While changing an exclamatory sentence to an assertive one, the normal word order is restored, means change. But some words suggestive of the initial force of the sentence are added. We may have to add some words and we may have to change the order of words. But the thing you have to remember that meaning should remain the same. Like first example, what a convincing victory for our team. Now, this sentence is written in exclamatory way, means it's an exclamatory sentence. But if we have to transform this sentence into assertive sentence, then we will write our team has scored a very convincing victory. Full stop. Earlier in exclamatory sentence we were having sign of exclamation. In assertive sentence we will use full stop. And as what is written in the beginning of exclamatory sentence, that what is removed, and in place of that we have added very convincing victory very word in assertive sentence. But if we have to transform assertive into exclamatory, then we will add such words like how, oh, what, wow. Such words are added along with sign of exclamation at the end of the sentence. Like look at third sentence. If we change assertive into exclamatory, then I really wish that spring were eternal. It's assertive, but if this sentence is to be changed into exclamatory, we will write, oh, that spring were eternal. Sign of exclamation. So this is about changing exclamatory into assertive and assertive into exclamatory. Now we will study about interchanging simple and complex sentences. Simple sentence. I was pleased to learn of your promotion. But if we have to change it into complex sentence, complex means we will have two statements, one dependent on another, joined by a conjunction. Now, I was pleased to learn that you had been promoted. Here, that is a conjunction. You had been promoted is a dependent sentence, dependent statement, and I was pleased to learn is our main statement. So this is how simple is changed into complex. Now if we change complex into simple, look at the third example. Complex sentence. The man who is wearing a black belt is a great judo player. Now if it is to be changed into simple, we will write without conjunction. The man with a black belt is a great judo player. After reading out the example 1-2 times, then you will understand how to transform one kind of sentence into another. Now, simple to complex. Change a word or phrase into clause using a subordinating conjunction. Like that, who, which, when, if, although, as, because. They are subordinating conjunction. In the chapter regarding clauses or sentences, we read about that subordinating conjunction are used in complex sentences when we have one statement dependent on another. Complex to simple, change the subordinate clause into a word or a phrase. Then we will change that clause, subordinate clause, into a word. Then we will get a simple sentence. Now simple to compound. Compound means a sentence in which we have two statements of equal rank, and that two statements will be joined by coordinating conjunction. This is the difference in complex and compound. In complex sentence we have subordinating conjunction, and in compound sentence we have coordinating conjunction. If we have to change simple sentence into compound sentence, we will join the sentence or the statement by coordinating conjunction like and, but, or, for. And if we have to change compound sentence into simple sentence, then we will change the coordinating clause into a word or phrase. Like read out the example. 1. Simple sentence. Switching off the light, she went to sleep. It's a simple sentence. Now if it is to be changed into compound sentence, we will use one coordinating conjunction. Like she switched off the light and here is coordinating conjunction and went to sleep. So this is how we have changed simple into compound. But if we will change compound into simple, then how will we frame the sentence? Read the example 3. You must give up fast food or you will not lose weight. So here it's compound sentence. If it is to be changed into simple, then we have to remove the coordinating clause and change it into a word or phrase like you must give up fast food to lose weight. So this is how we will change compound into simple. We will remove the conjunction and remove the coordinating clause, and in place of coordinating clause we will write a word or phrase. So this is the interchangement of simple and compound sentence. How to transform these kind of sentences with each other. So this is how our chapter regarding transformation of sentences is over. Thank you.